Hello, dinosaur fans. Welcome back to the Prehistoric universe. Tonight's new dinosaur. Tonight's we're gonna draw Gigas. I don't know what animal species he is. All I know is that he's a tyrannosaurus. Well, he's based on one. Basically, Gigas is a special tyrannosaur, and he wears special gear called spectral armor. These are the spikes that surround his body. Apparently, the spikes, it protects him from predators. Well, it protects him against rivals. There we are. Here are the fingers. Next thing we gotta draw are the thighs. There we are. Here are the tail spikes. Should add a few of them. And done. There he is. Oh yeah, hang on a sec. Let's draw the rest of his armor. There we are. There we are. And done. There he is. That is how you draw Gigas. One of my favorite tyrannosaurs is finally here. Well, one of my perfectly spectral armored tyrannosaurs. If you're watching this, I'm proud you all got to see me draw this guy. Be sure to enter the prehistoric universe.